What's going on, all you kings, queens, and everyone in between? Do you want to learn how to clean your toilet easy and fast? Then you come to the right video. On this channel, especially if you're new, welcome. We talk a lot about cleaning products, tips, and how-to help you save time and money. So consider subscribing. Now, in this video, I'm literally going to take you step by step on how to clean your toilet fast and easy from the beginning to the end. So there will literally be no stone unturned on how to go about maintaining and cleaning your toilet like a professional. So come clean with me. We have our toilet. We're going to start prepping everything and then begin cleaning from top to bottom. So I already put the Barkeeper's Friend in the toilet bowl. Start spraying using the Odor-Ben sanitizer and making sure you get underneath the toilet bowl. Some people forget that, but you got to get underneath there. It's important.
Get all the way up there.
I use 4 paper towels, about 1 sheet combined together, and you'll see how I use that. This helps to prevent the overusage of paper towels, just because I've learned that they do not properly decompose, and I'm all about using less products that's going to prevent overconsumption. So I am using that toilet brush, scrubbing hard in that toilet. That toilet bowl needed it. So a little trick that I do is I place the toilet brush on the side so it can drain. That way you don't have all that extra juice that comes from the toilet brush into the toilet holder. So that little trick comes in handy no matter what. And that's a little professional tip. So I'm literally working my way from top to bottom, checking over my work, using all sides of the paper towel. This just helps me to get the most use out of paper towel. Like I said previously, they don't decompose properly. Now this toilet had a bidet, so you really have to work in there to get around the grooves on there. But that bidet is a game changer. I have one personally and I love it. Make sure you follow that pattern of the toilet seat. And now it's time to place that toilet brush back and get everything all ready for the next moves. Now, have you ever noticed when you clean your toilet, it's like extra like debris and gunk? Sometimes that's oils and stuff from our bottoms that contract onto the toilet seat. So make sure you get that really good, the top of the toilet seat and the bottom, to remove as much fluids as possible. It's the best way to put it. So I'm going to go get my other set of paper towels and switch it out. Oh, that little tip I just did is after scrubbing the toilet, I let it sit, the Barkeeper's Friend sit in the toilet for a bit. Now I'm just showing you, I'm going to start cleaning the bottom of the toilet all the way from the lip part to literally the base of the floor. So it's kind of hard to show you how I do that with holding the camera, so I'll do my best. Just try to use as many sides of that paper towel as possible, like I said, for many reasons. If you need to use more paper towels, definitely use it. Just keep in mind, less is more when it comes to the environment. So I'm just showing you how I'm cleaning the base, bottom of where the toilet bowl is, or the toilet is. This helps to remove any extra toxins and things of that sort in the ground. And then I remove my gloves and I am done. Now that you visually walk through and know how to clean and maintain your toilet the fast and easy way, and hopefully now you feel more like a professional. In the meantime, I hope that you check out one of our previous or our next video, and stay tuned on how to earn back your time with cleaning the proper way. And in the meantime, stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.